Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, IAF warming up to manned unmanned teaming, that is MUMT. In a significant development, the Indian Air Force is making strides in the realm of manned unmanned teaming with Air Marshal Radhakrishnan Radhish highlighting the progress during the Dubai International Air Chiefs Conference. The IAF's exploration of the cutting-edge concept is set to reshape the landscape of combat aviation, ushering in an era where autonomous assets collaborate seamlessly with manned platform. Next, changing dynamics in the global fighter jet market. The global market for fighter jets is undergoing significant transformation marked by an unofficial boycott of Russia and Chinese offering. Many nations aligning themselves with the West are re-evaluating their procurement plans and turning away from fighter jets originating in Russian and Chinese arsenals. The primary driver behind this shift is the ongoing geopolitical realignment, with Russia and China forming one camp and the rest aligning with Western-backed campaigns. Next, seeking indigenous expertise for expendable low-cost target drones. The IAF, through the Air Officer commanding of the 12 Base Repair Depot, Air Force, representing the Headquarter Maintenance Command, has issued an expression of interest to Indian firms capable of designing, developing, testing and delivering expendable low-cost target drones. The initiative aims to enhance training for personnel engagement in counter unmanned aerial vehicles system, that is CUAV. Next, full operational status for INS Vikrant. INS Vikrant, India's inaugural indigenous aircraft carrier, marked a significant milestone by attaining full operational status on November 16, 2023. This achievement follows the ship's formal commissioning by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 2, 2022 at the Cochin shipyard. Delivered to the Indian Navy on July 28th, INS Vikrant represents a crucial advancement in India's naval capabilities and underscores the nation's commitment to bolstering its maritime strength. Next, India will continue to use the American Cummins engines for the entire Zorawar light tank project. This got delayed by a few months due to issue in the supply of German engines. The German clearances have come now, and their firms are ready to supply the engines, but it has now been decided that we will go ahead with the Cummins engine only for the entire program, sources in the Defense Research and Development Organization said. Next, Indian Army conducts massive airborne drop drill in western deserts. In a display of military might and precision, an Indian Army strike corps recently executed a battalion group airborne drop drill in the western deserts. The drill involves special force personnel and utilized all types of aircraft in the Indian Air Force inventory. This large-scale exercise underscores the Indian Army's growing capabilities and its commitment to maintaining operational readiness. Next, Anti-Submarine Warfare Craft Amini launched. Amini, the fourth in the series of 8 anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft projects built by Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers for the Indian Navy, was launched on Thursday at Kattupalli in Tamil Nadu. The launch ceremony was presided over by Vice Admiral Sandeep Nathani, Chief of Marshal, in keeping with maritime tradition. Next, Surya Kiran Team to perform air show ahead of World Cup final. The Surya Kiran aerobatic team of the Indian Air Force will perform an air show ahead of the final match of the Cricket World Cup to be played here on November 19, said an official on Thursday. The Defence PRO for Gujarat announced that the Surya Kiran aerobatic team will enthrall people for 10 minutes before the start of the final match to be played at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Motera area. Thank you.